In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy Solana meme coins on DexScreener. So the first thing you want to do is go to DexScreener.com, and then you will have to first sign in with a wallet or with your account. So if you go to down here where it says sign in, bottom left, you can select if you want to sign in with either Google, with Apple, or you can connect your wallet. Now, if you choose to connect a wallet, you will have to have a wallet installed as an extension over here in your browser. So I have these. I have MetaMask, Phantom, Solflare, Trust Wallet. It doesn't matter which one you have, just pick one that you prefer the most. Now, you can then click Connect Wallet, and it will say verify your account. You want to click on Sign Message, and it's going to wait for signature. So for me, it's going to go inside MetaMask because that's what I basically use on here. And then it's going to say confirm. You want to click on that. And after that, as you can see, it says you were successfully signed in and your account will be logged in. Now, of course, it will ask you which wallet you want to use, and there will be a bunch available. But for me, over here, I picked MetaMask, and it's now automatically logged me in into MetaMask. From here, you want to go to Solana. Down here, as you can see, it says Moonshot, Solana, BSC. Click on Solana. And on here, there's those meme coins. So for example, let's just go into a random meme coin over here. So for example, in this one, it's just a random coin. From here, you can then start buying it by clicking this buy button over here. If you click the buy button, you can select on how much Solana you want to spend. You can type it in yourself or quickly select via these options down here. And then you can set your slippage as well. And then if it says connect wallet over here, you want to click on that. It will ask you to connect a Solana wallet. So you can see for this specific coin and for Solana, you can take either Phantom, Trust, or Solflare. So these are the ones available. I'm going to go with Phantom. And if I go to Phantom, you will then, of course, have to type in your password over here. It will sign in, ask you to connect, press connect. And there we go, you've now connected. Now it says insufficient funds, and that is because my Phantom wallet does not currently hold any Solana on it. But if you do hold any Solana, you can then quickly buy by just clicking buy over here and then putting in the amount, connecting wallet, clicking buy, and you'll buy that much. Now, you can then trade meme coins on here as well as you would on any platform, and that's pretty much it. But if you're looking for a new platform that's different than this one and you're trying to trade meme coins, I would recommend this one, which is called Axiom Pro. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you will get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. It basically has some of the most advanced features that are completely free to use. It's got the wallet trackers, Twitter trackers, you can set presets, it has a bunch of different great filters over here for all these coins, so for the new pairs, final stretches, for migrated coins, you can have the perpetuals trading on here as well, and it's just very convenient. Most pros use it, and a lot of people who are great in the meme coin trading space like to actually use this and prefer it over anything else. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.